Good morning and welcome to Porto. So in this video I'm going to give you a quick rundown guide on all the best things to do while here in Porto. Hi, I'm Amy. I'm just an ordinary girl from Ireland with big dreams to travel the world. So far I've been to 22 countries and I love sharing my adventures with you, whilst also giving you tips and tricks so you can say sure why not to your next adventure. This time I'm in Porto, which is Portugal's second largest city and home to its famous port wine industry. Good morning and welcome to Porto. So we're starting our day off here at the Clérigos Tower, and it's meant to have some of the best viewpoints in Porto from the city centre. Porto is not just known for its port wine industry, it's also known for its gorgeous buildings with the iconic blue tiles and its street art scene as well. There's plenty of Instagram spots around the city to get that perfect shot. Unfortunately, during our day there, the weather decided to take a turn on us, but luckily we had tickets to the Livro Lelo, which is known as the world's most beautiful bookshop. It is home to many classic titles that you would know in both Portuguese and English, and it is a stunning visit. I recommend to book your ticket in advance as the lines can get quite long and the bookshop can be crowded, but it's still worth the visit. We also had tickets to take a cruise down the Douro River to see the iconic 6 bridges of Porto. Porto, you cannot miss this area. So this is the Ribbey area, and you have the Ponte Bridge behind me here, which is one of the most iconic landmarks here in Porto. The views are absolutely spectacular, you can't miss it. So one thing can definitely be said about Porto to bear in mind when you come: there is a lot of hills. Like this one is really steep, but the viewpoint is totally going to be worth it. If you manage to brave the hill, you can go to the Ponte Infante Henrique. It took me 5 attempts to say that word, and it's meant to have a really good viewpoint of the Ponte Luís Bridge, and definitely worth it. So we just stopped at this place called the Portugal Experience, and it's the most random place I've ever been to. So they gave us the sample of these little cod cakes filled with cheese and a glass of port wine as well. Just a minute ago there was a guy on a piano playing ABBA songs. It's just class. These actually remind me a lot of arancinis that you can get in Italy, so it'll be interesting to see what it's like. That's actually lovely. So of course you can't go to Porto as well without having a glass of port wine. I'm not a wine drinker, I don't like it, so we'll see how we get on with this. I mean, it's not bad. It's very strong though. So if you're doing a day here in Porto, you have to come up to this monument here. I don't know what it's pronounced, I can't pronounce it. I'm going to leave the name on the bottom of the screen for you, but it's 100% worth the visit, and you got a great view of the Ponte Bridge there too. Thank you so much for watching this video about Porto. I really enjoyed my time there. Seriously think Portugal is such an underrated country in Europe. I absolutely love Portugal so much. If you did enjoy this video, let me know by leaving a like or a comment down below. And if you want to find me on social media, all the links are down below in the description. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here if you want to see more videos just like this. So thank you so much again, and I'll see you for the next video. Bye.